Hi everyone, welcome to another craft video from the Olean Public Library. This time we'll be making clay necklaces using leaves. So let's gather all the supplies we got in the craft kit. I'm going to start by using the tactile leaf first so that it actually makes an indentation. Feel free to watch, but basically all I'm doing is flattening the clay and then pressing the leaf on top. Make sure you really press it in there so you can see all the little details. Here I am pulling it up, and there's a close-up. Now we're just going to put the ring inside, so basically all I did was squish it in there, and then I used another tool, which was a pencil eraser, to try to kind of mold the clay around the outside of the ring. So now that one's done, I'm going to work on the other leaf, which in your craft kit, these ones are actually made of fabric, so they don't really leave an indentation. So what I'm going to do to get around that is just press it in as much as I can, and then I'm actually just going to draw little veins myself and try to make it look lifelike. So here is a semi-close-up view of that, and as you can see there's not really many details, so I'm just going in with the end of a paintbrush and I'm just going to kind of paint some details to try to see if I can make it look realistic. So here's the end result of the one that I kind of created. I think it looks kind of cool. Here's the end result of the tactile one. I just strung some yarn through it for now, but I think this one looks pretty cool. It's not fully dry yet, but it's pretty close. And there's my string. And there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you next time.